Hello everybody, welcome to Betsy's Reading Journey, aka BRJ, and this is your girl Betsy with the Booktube Newbie Tag. Alright, so let's get started. So my Booktube Newbie Tag is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to say some things about me and then I'm going to answer some, not all, of the questions from the Booktube Newbie Tag. So to begin, the name of this channel is Betsy's Reading Journey, BRJ. I named it so because that's exactly what it is for me. It is a reading journey. I am on a journey of discovering new perspectives, new ideas, developing my critical thinking, and I'm doing that through reading. I'm trying to understand the world more, and I want to do that through reading. And that's, for me, is a journey, because in journeys you are growing, you're developing, you're evolving. So yeah, so it's my reading journey, and I don't just want to read and move on. I want to really understand what is the author trying to convey within the writing. What, not just for the nonfiction work, even for the fiction work, you can really go into it. Why did the character behave the way the character behaved? Would I have behaved the same way? What does this word mean? Even just definitions, I think that's learning new words is just a way of evolving. So that's why I created this channel, to learn new perspectives and to grow. And that's why it's called Betsy's Reading Journey. Second, most of my books will be from the library. There will always be some barcode. I am a big proponent of the library. The library was my safe space growing up as an immigrant child who didn't speak no English. That's where I found, that's where I discovered old Hollywood movies, music that I could not, when my parents didn't know where to go to purchase CDs, I would just request them from the library. Even movies, you can request movies from the library now. So yeah, I've always loved the library, so I will always be getting my books from the library. I am afraid of buying a book and hating it, and then it's just sitting there. And then say you have to move. Now you have to carry all these books, and you have to find places to put them, and it's just weight. It's just weight. So I like to just get them from the library, put them back, and unless it's a gift or something. But other than that, I ain't buying no books. And third, reading in community. That's what I like to do. I like to read in community, specifically in book clubs. I'm a part of 3 book clubs. I'm in one at work. I'm in 2 other African American ones. And the reason why I like book clubs, because I'm the kind of person, I not only like to learn through reading on my own. I think that's great, for anybody that just wants to just them in the book. That's perfectly fine. And I definitely have my moments as an introvert where I don't want to be bothered, and I just want to be in my own imagination with my book. However, I like to listen to what other people have to say about the book. I feel like that's just more learning. That's just me learning new perspectives, gaining new insight on what they thought about what the author was writing, or in the character. And sometimes you even get to share personal stories of oh man, this character went through this, I went through the same thing. Especially when you're talking about nonfiction writing. I already know that this book, All About Love, for my book club is gonna be deep. I can already tell that we're gonna be talking about a lot of stuff, maybe even sharing personal stories. And I think that just creates a deeper, it just creates a deeper thing, or deeper meaning, or deeper bond you get to form that bond through reading. And I just think that's beautiful. So I like to read in community. That's why I'm a part of so many book clubs. That's why I created this channel, so I could learn from you guys. What are you reading? What are your thoughts? Did you hate the book? Did you like the book? Why? Would you have done the same thing? What are your own personal stories that you want to share? I mean, maybe not everything, because this is the internet. But yeah, so that's why I love reading. That's why I love reading specifically in community. Some days I just like to put my headphones on and sit on the train and be done with it. But yeah, so those 3 things I wanted to talk about and kind of address them in the forefront. So now some questions from the Booktube Newbie Tag. I'm not answering them all, just a couple. Why did you start this channel? I started this channel to encourage other people to read and to learn, to discover new things. What challenges do you think will come with this BookTube channel? A challenge for me that I know is gonna come, I work a 9 to 5. When I get home, I wanna eat, I wanna read and sleep. Yeah, so I think it's gonna be hard coming home and being motivated to do it. But so far, I've enjoyed just coming home and like making videos and like learning about the camera and all that stuff. So I think, you know, so far so good. You know, if I don't like it anymore, I'll stop. But yeah, but so far so good. What kind of books do you like to read? Historical fiction, y'all. I am a sucker for historical fiction, especially an immigrant story with some historical fiction. It just gets to me. It just gets to my core. Like, I love like The Dreamers. You ever read The Dreamers? Good stuff. Why do you love reading? As I previously stated, I can't speak. I love reading because I love to learn, gain new perspectives, discover new things, and to escape as well. Like, you know, I don't always want to read the hard books on historical fiction. Sometimes I just want to read about somebody on an island somewhere having a good time, you know, like, you know, so yeah, so that's why. So yeah, that's it for my BookTube Newbie Tag. This channel is called Betsy's Reading Journey. I hope you stick around. I hope you like what you see. I hope you support your girl. I hope you comment. I hope you like. I hope you subscribe. All those things that the YouTubers tell you to do. All right, y'all. That's it. Period. Bye.